All right, there is no magic trick for this one. It's just a matter of like trying and trying and trying and trying to see something. This one's you have to be creative in a way, and also just practice, because the more you practice, the more you start to recognize some of these patterns. But here we're basically trying to look for the pattern in these numbers. Now, I look at the numerator first and I see 2 to the 5, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 3, 2 to the 2. So this one must be 2 to the 1, and this must be 2 to the 0. So what I did is I just wrote those out in another way. So the 2 is 2 to the 1, and the 1 is 2 to the 0. So I just looked at the numerators there to get these numerators. Okay, now for the denominators, I kind of just noticed, I guess, that I saw 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24, 24 times 5 is 20. So I noticed this pattern of multiplying by these numbers. And I kind of worked backwards then. So then I said to myself, well, it must be some number here multiplied by 2 gives me 2. So it's 1 times 2 gives me 2. And so that one is multiplied by 2, and so then to get from this number to this number, we must be multiplying by 1. So it must be 1 times 1. So, I mean, that's just playing around with it, just trying to think of the patterns that you see. The trick here is, how do you write this down? Okay, the numerator is not too bad because we can see the pattern pretty clearly. But what's going on in these denominators? 1, 1, 2, 6, 24, 20, 120. I mean, pause the video and just try to imagine something for a while. And if you're really, really stuck, I'll give you a hint. One word: factorial. Okay, pause the video, give it another try if you haven't got it figured out yet, and then, yeah, do that. And now, if you're really, truly, truly stuck, let me tell you what I mean by factorial. Well, look, on the left-hand side of my screen here, I've got 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial, 24, 5 factorial, 120. So here are the numbers. Look, those are the denominators. So really, it's 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. And so, oh, somehow this didn't work out here. Let me just fix this up. So an equals this. And so there's the n minus 1 factorial gives the denominator, and the 2 to the n minus 1 gives the numerator. Okay, again, it's easy to see that this is the correct answer. The hard part is being creative and trying to come up with it on your own. So good luck, practice those ones, and you'll get there. You'll get better as you practice.